base is locked down. Fire!
Now, Mr. Sulu.
What fools thinking they can escape? Accelerate to maximum and prepare to open fire.
Sir, aren't we going to defend ourselves?
Your deflector shields are doing that for us, Mr. Scott.
But to just turn and run, sir.
I can't orient myself. Everything is...
Subspace radio channels are dead, sir.